Hi everyone, Ross from Desirable Futures here. Desirable Futures, we help organisations become fit for humans. We are at the Zero Distance Awards with Hire in Beijing, and with me today is Ali, Dad and Dave, co-founders of Desirable Futures. How are you feeling, guys?
Yeah, good. Good night's sleep last night, finally. Trying to recover from the flight, but feeling ready for today.
Cool. What happened yesterday?
Yesterday we visited the washing machine factory. Saw a lot of automated machines moving around, but the standout there was like their ability to respond to the customer is just, there's no other manufacturer we think can do what they do in that space.
Ali, Dad, they gave a great example of that. You tell the story of their three-drum washing machine?
Yeah, there was someone in the social media that asks that when I have shoes or other things and I wanna wash them separately.
When Elliot wants to wash his bra and things like that.
Most of the washing machines are not allowing them. They just mix everything up. And the higher folks, they picked it up in the social media. They started to ask questions from customers. And then apparently there was a lot of tractions, a lot of people asked for it. And then they came back with a concept, with a prototype in a few days. And then immediately after they put up the prototype, they got something like 30,000 sign-ups. And at the moment they published it, they got 100,000 requests. And that shows how listening to the customer is important, but also having the right systems in place. So once you listen to customers, how can you turn that insight into a product? So that was pretty amazing, and obviously the product looks cool as well. You know, it was really good example of customer centricity and enabling your people to act based on those insights.
Lovely, thanks Ali, Dad. And there was a big awards dinner last night. There were lots of interesting people who have been on the Hire journey for a long time. Any standouts for you or any insights that you picked up?
It's always heartening to see luminaries that we respect coming up and talking to Elliot usually. So Bill Fischer actually seeks out Elliot out of the room to come over and shake his hand and talk about a conversation they've had online. So it's quite amazing when that sort of thing happens as well. So Bill and Umberto Lago was there, obviously, and Just as well. So lots of really important people that we work with. It was great to catch up with Emma de Block as well. Yeah. What about you, mate?
I think that just being there with those folks, as you put it, luminaries, and it was nice that Hire recognized them for the work they've done with Hire. But there was this one insight from, I don't know whether it was from Chairman Zhang Ruimin or it was from Bill Fischer, but it was about most companies. They hire people, highly talented people, and they diminish their capabilities. And what we want to do, and what Hire does, is they hire great people and they expand their capabilities. That was pretty insightful for me. It was a really nice way of putting it.
Yeah. And at the meal we got to eat sea cucumber.
Yes, so some things, look, it's a great delicacy. I'll be respectful about that, and obviously quite expensive to put on a plate. But let's just say it's not my favourite thing.
And I have to admit, when you see a lobster decorated, make sure you understand it's a decoration and don't eat the fat. So that was pretty funny.
a tough moment. Today we've got a 0DX workshop with Rendan Hai for large companies, small companies and consultants, and then a big presentation of the actual awards this afternoon. Anything you're looking forward to from that?
Look, I'm happy that we're like the workshop is not really much of a workshop. There's going to be more talks, but I do think it's a little bit of a missed opportunity as well, because we've got some of the luminaries here are quite amazing. It would have been fantastic to have an actual workshop with them, but I'm also looking forward to the talks we get to hear from those people from the stage as well.
Yeah, there's a lot of practitioners and actual companies doing it, so I'm sure we'll get lots of great information. Okay, you ready for a big day?
Yeah,
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 it should
absolutely.
be fun.
Cool. Right, we'll say goodbye and we'll see you on the other side.
Thanks, mate. Bye.
Bye.